How to paper trade on Bingx. Hello there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting video on the Bingx crypto exchange. Today, we're going to dive into the world of paper trading, and I'll show you how to practice your trading skills without risking any real funds. Get ready to learn a valuable technique that can help you refine your strategies and gain confidence before diving into the live markets. So, let's get started. Paper trading, also known as simulated trading or virtual trading, is a method that allows you to practice buying and selling cryptocurrencies without using actual money. It's an excellent way for beginners to get a feel for the trading environment and for experienced traders to test new strategies without risking their capital. On Bingx, you can easily access the paper trading feature by following these simple steps. 1. Log into your Bingx account or sign up using the referral code 911 if you're a new user. 2. From the home page, click on the paper trading button located in the top navigation menu. 3. You'll be prompted to select the asset you want to paper trade. Bingx offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. 4. Once you've chosen your asset, you'll be given a virtual balance to start trading with. This balance is not real money, but it mimics the actual market conditions and price movements. 5. The paper trading interface on Bingx is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, resembling the real trading platform. You can place buy and sell orders, set stop-loss and take profit levels, and even practice advanced trading strategies like margin trading and futures trading if available on the platform. 6. As you execute trades, your virtual balance will fluctuate based on the simulated market conditions, allowing you to experience the thrill of trading without any financial risk. One of the key advantages of paper trading on Bingx is the ability to backtest your strategies. You can replay historical market data and see how your trading approach would have performed in various market conditions. This is an invaluable tool for identifying potential weaknesses and fine-tuning your strategy before applying it to real trades. Bingx provides various educational resources, including trading guides, tutorials, and analysis tools to help you enhance your trading knowledge and skills. By combining paper trading with these educational materials, you can develop a well-rounded understanding of the cryptocurrency markets and become a more confident and informed trader. Remember, while paper trading is an excellent way to practice and learn, it's important to understand that simulated trading conditions may not always perfectly reflect the real market dynamics. However, it's still a crucial step in your trading journey, allowing you to gain experience and build confidence before risking your hard-earned money. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up on Bingx using the referral code 911 if you haven't already and start your paper trading journey today. Practice, learn, and refine your strategies until you feel ready to take on the live markets with confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on cryptocurrency trading and investing. Happy paper trading, and may the crypto markets be in your favor.